Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are anything like me, you are always waiting for the next big Android update. Well, good news, it's here and it's earlier than ever. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about Android 16 that is now rolling out to supported Pixel devices with support for more phones coming later this year. Here are the 5 things that you need to know about the latest Android update. सबसे पहले, this release brings under the hood tweaks, laying the foundation for a whole new Android experience जो कि complete होगा with a refreshed Material 3 Expressive design later this year. There are loads of features in the latest Pixel drop that we will talk about in a separate video. Second is streamlined and up-to-date notifications. We have all been there, constantly opening an app just to check if your food delivery has arrived. With Android 16, that's a thing of the past. Android 16 brings live updates right to your notification bar. टैप करो और चेक करो कि आपका ऑर्डर कितनी देर में आ रहा है बिना ऐप खोले. Clearer, simpler calling with hearing devices. Next is an enhancement for accessibility. Improved calling with hearing devices. अभी तक LE audio hearing devices built-in mics का यूज करते थे. Android 16 changes that. Now you can switch to using your phone's microphone for clearer calls. Android 16 also introduces native control for hearing devices. Stronger security in a single tap. Android 16 brings advanced protection जो कि आपके फ़ोन की सिक्योरिटी को बेटर करेगा ताकि आप इवॉल्विंग ऑनलाइन थ्रेट्स से बचे रहें. With a single tap, you can activate Google's strongest mobile device protection to shield you from online attacks, harmful apps, unsafe websites, and even scam calls. Enhanced productivity for tablets. Android 16 is supercharging tablets' productivity. In Android 16, Google has worked closely with Samsung to develop desktop windowing. This allows users to open, move, and resize multiple app windows on a single tablet screen, just like it's on a desktop computer. So, there you have it. 5 things you need to know about Android 16, from smarter notifications and enhanced accessibility to robust security. Android 16 is bringing loads of changes. What are you most excited about in Android 16? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.